Good morning, guys. Today in word study, we're going to be learning about the floss rule. So the floss rule, you may have heard of this, is a special rule that we follow at times. So sometimes we will come across words that have two of the same letter at the end of a word. The letter will be doubled. But how do we know when we need one? If we're writing out a word, how do we know if the last letter needs to be doubled? Well, here are three simple rules to ask yourself, three questions to ask yourself. And if your answer to all of these questions is yes, then you need to double the last letter. Let's look at those. The first one says, does the word end in letters S, L, F, or Z? So at the end of the word, if you have the letters S or L or F or Z, that's a good indicator that it might have to be doubled. Let's look at the next one. Does the word have a short vowel? We talked about vowels earlier in the week. Remember, short vowels do not say their name, so it would be a, not a, I, not I, things like that. So if it has a short vowel sound, it could possibly have to be doubled at the end. And the last rule is if the word is one syllable. We talked about syllables earlier this week too, so you can either hum out the word or put your fist under your chin and see how many vowels are in the word. And if it's just one syllable, it may need the floss rule. Now, if it has all three of these, if your answer to all three of these is yes, the last letter needs to be doubled, meaning there needs to be two. So sometimes it's hard for us to remember which letters get doubled, so we've come up with this little acronym in this picture. It says to help us remember which letters get doubled, remember this. Sammy loves friendly zebras. So if you notice the first letter, S, L, F, Z, those are the letters that sometimes get doubled. So if we click on this, so Sammy loves friendly zebras. You'll notice SS, LL, FF, and ZZ. That's what it would look like at the end of the word if they were doubled. And there's this nice little picture. Sammy loves friendly zebras. Just as a reminder to help us, kind of a thing to help us remember what letters get doubled. So, S, L, F, Z are the letters that we double. So let's try some. Let's look at the word cat. Now pay attention closely. I'm not going to write it for you because that would give it away. So the word cat. Let's see if it follows these rules. Cat. Does the word end in the letters S, L, F, or Z? Cat. T. I hear a T at the end. Is T one of my letters? It's not. S, L, F, or Z, I don't hear a T in there. So I've already ruled that word out. I know that in the word cat, I'm not going to double that last letter because it's not one of these four letters right here. So automatically I know that one's out. Let's think of the word buzz, like a bee will buzz. Let's see. Does the word end in the letters S, L, F, or Z? Buzz. Z, z. So I'm hearing a Z, so it does look like it follows that one. So far, yes. Does the word have a short vowel? Buzz. B, z, I think would be a short vowel, the short U. It's not a long, it doesn't say the U, it says So it does have a short vowel. Let's see if it's one syllable word. A one syllable word. Buzz. Let's put our hands under our chin and say the word, see how many syllables it is. Buzz. My hand only went down one time. Let's hum it just to double check. I'm still only hearing one syllable there. So the word buzz does look like it would fit. It ends in a Z. It has the short U vowel. And it was only one syllable. So the word buzz, we hear the b, So if we just wrote B-U-Z, that wouldn't be right. We need to double it. So we need to have two Z's at the end. So the word buzz would get two Z's. Boys and girls, today you are going to be practicing figuring out and thinking of words that end in these double letters that follow this floss rule.